So, welcome everybody. Good morning from Stockholm, sunny Stockholm, and from Cairo, and Katarina Hanssens Carlsson and Ali Al Sheikh from Cairo.
Yeah,
So, what are we going to discuss today? Basically, is AI a disaster for you, losing your job? Or is AI the greatest opportunity you've had in your life? So, we're going to discuss four questions. And so, the first question is AI taking away jobs or creating the greatest entrepreneurial opportunity in modern history? 300 million jobs are expected to be impacted by AI. So, Ali, what do you think? Is it a disaster or an opportunity?
it is a challenge. It could be an opportunity and could be a disaster for the people who will not got pre-prepared for such thing. And let me say greeting here from sunny Cairo as well to you, Katarina. And the topic, I hopefully that most of people can join us and to discuss the importance of this topic because we are facing the high pace of change in the AI and digital transformation. So it is a challenge. The smart people who will take the advantage of this challenge and to make it an opportunity and also will avoid and prevent the threats that could be obtained from such a challenge. So it is how you perceive things and how you are deal with them smartly.
Absolutely. It's how people face adversity. Most successful people in the world have faced adversity after adversity after adversity, and they've grown with it. However, we want you to know that we have great compassion for you who have worked for a corporate organization for 10 years, 20, 30, 40, maybe 50. You've given your life to an organization, you've given your life to their vision. And now you're out with severance pay, but that's not going to last very long. And you're wondering, where do I go now? So you have fear to deal with, shock, even deep sadness, depression, confusion. We understand. However, if you treat this as the greatest opportunity of your life, this is the opportunity for you to follow your vision, your core values, not somebody else's, your
Yeah.
core values, your, for example, entrepreneurial identity, your driving purpose. This could completely change your life so that instead of working for somebody else, whether you're aligned with their vision or not, you align yourself with your vision, your purpose. Why? Because an entrepreneurial genius within you, and you can discover it with our help. Okay, so that takes us to the next question. What human qualities can AI never replace?
It, I would love to mention here the creativity, which is differentiate us from the other species and other creature as a human being. Also, I would love to mention that AI would be a great asset and a great tool for us to save time for a lot of operational things. I would love to mention also from an entrepreneurial mindset. When I used to establish a work or to found a business, it takes a lot for me to discover the smart people who can help me to do this. I would love to recall in one of my companies I have already established with the other co-founders, we were only five, and all of we were AI, which means, excuse my words, their dirty work it will be automated and be done from by the AI. But here, the AI is lack a lot of things as a human being. We are very uh, powerful in creativity, empathy, EI, emotional intelligence, have the sense to communicate with people, to uh, scan the market, and to see what the trend and things are going on around us. AI can be a great decision maker, but will not ever be a decision taker. As a human being, we have the intuition, which is not in the AI, which differs us from the other. AI doesn't have intuition. All the AI have is facts, data, charts, and so forth. But the rationale behind taking decision as a human being, sometimes as an entrepreneur, we take a decision from our gut feelings, which is not involved in the AI. There's a lot of things that differs us. And the greatest thing as a human being is how to control AI and dominate on AI, not the vice versa, not to make the AI take a full control. At the end, we are human beings, love to deal with human beings, specifically in the business market.
Yeah, absolutely, Ali. Creativity, empathy, intuition, gut feeling. AI doesn't have guts. It has information,
Yeah,
and it's a great asset to the world. Don't get us wrong. Yeah, I mean, it puts all the information we need together so that we can make a decision. It can come
yeah,
up with suggestions, but we make the decisions. As Ali says, we have creativity, purpose, vision, empathy. Does AI? Well, now AI is beginning to adopt a soul, apparently. But can it lead? Does it have human connection? No, we do. And most of all, can it help us evolve? We're here to evolve. AI cannot help us evolve and grow. Not yet, anyway.
yeah.
So we are a planet of evolution. That is our job, to evolve and grow. AI can guide us, but it cannot grow us. It cannot evolve us. That is up
Ab-
to us. Yeah.
Absolutely. And also, we have to remember that we are the human being. We invented the AI. We created the AI.
Yeah. It's our monster or our alibi,
Yeah,
either or.
yeah, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Fantastic.